Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
Sources of hotel guest reservation. If you are wondering how a guest can book a hotel room, then you are in the right place to meet your query. Guest reservation in hotel is done through many sources. Here the term source means an individual, or group, or company which takes service from hotel, and in reply pay for it. In large hotels, reservation agents handle such reservations. In small, or mid-range hotels, a front desk agent has to perform guest reservation activities. Some widely used basic sources of hotel guest reservations are global distribution system, tour operators, travel agents, airlines, corporate houses, hotel websites, embassies and consulates, free individual travelers, central reservation system, associations, government offices, referral hotels. What is global distribution system? Please pause the video and click on this subscriber button. Then log into your Gmail account and click again on the subscriber button. Global distribution system is a network of sources that bring products and services geographically available to the consumers from anywhere in the world. Some featured examples of global distribution are Sabre Computer System, Amadeus Computer System, Galileo Central Reservations Systems, WorldSpan. Most of the hotels are connected to one or more of these global distribution systems. From anywhere of the world, the traveler can make reservation to those hotels who have these computerized network systems. The other service providers also can access to these systems. The concept of tour operators. Tour operators are basically wholesalers comprising packaged tour programs who deal with hotels, surface transporters, airlines, to sell these packages in all over the world. Tour operators cooperate with hotels or airlines in order to include their service in their package tour. Who are travel agents? Travel agents are the retailers. They receive commission from the tour operator for selling their tour package through promotional activities. Travel agents also promote personally hotel accommodations and airline bookings in order to gain discount and commissions from these hotel and airlines. Airlines are a very popular business among hotels. The airline's crews are a regular customer, and they can add glory to the hotel atmosphere. But airlines crews generally stay for short time, and hotel always has to give discount on their stay. Corporate houses. Corporate houses are also a good source of business for the hotel, due to their better fund. Corporate houses have to deal with many clients, and arrange company training programs, and meetings. For this reason, they contact with the hotel for these purposes. By dealing with the corporate house, the hotel can attract many guests for their hotel, and can enhance their business. Hotel websites. Hotels' individual websites are one of the easiest and popular sources of reservation. Hotel establish their websites with full details of their features, where guest will find a reservation form to make reservation according to their choice. After filling the reservation form, the guests will be confirmed whether they get booking or not. Some hotel websites are so well organized that they can present virtual tour of the hotels. Embassies and consulates, also considered as important sources of reservation. Diplomatic officials travel throughout the year, thus stay in the hotel. For that, they have to contact with embassy and consulates, which makes them a good source of business for the hotels. For this reason, the hotels which are located at that particular city want to deal with embassies and consulates. Who are free individual travelers? Free individual travelers are the guests who directly contact with the hotel and make reservation. They do not depend on any media. They chose hotel on the basis of quality service, image factor, budget and their convenience. Some individual also take suggestion from others for selecting the hotel. Hotel tries to attract these travelers through quality service to make them repetitive. The free individual travelers can book the hotel room from anywhere in the world. As the website display all details of hotel features, so travelers can choose according to their convenience. Central reservation system, the most popular and easier reservation system. SRES offer toll-free telephone numbers to attract travelers to utilize their facility. This system is the best option for the independent operators who have limited capital to run business worldwide individually. Major chain hotels have their own SRES that help them to run business in all the locations where they have their properties. Associations. There are many associations in the business world, like automobile associations, Freemasons, trade associations, hotel federation, and so on. These all associations have to arrange business meetings, conferences, conventions throughout the year. For arranging theses, associations have to book rooms. That's why the reservation agent or hotels make connection with the associations to gain volume business. Government offices is also a good source of business. Though most of the government offices have their own guest house, but sometimes government offices offer hotel accommodation to their high-rank officer. Referral hotels. They do not involve in chain operation, they are independent hotel. To enhance their hotel business, the owners of the referral hotel recommend each other to attract guests. The airlines who have connection with referral hotels recommend those referral hotels. That's all for this episode, but please don't go anywhere. You can read 200+ hotel or restaurant management training tutorials and watch some exciting training videos. Have a look. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos, and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.